FPGA. An FPGA consists of an array of uncommitted elements that can be interconnected in a general way. FPGA is a device that can be configured by the user with simple electrical equipment. Like a PAL, the interconnections between the elements are user programmable. In the early 1980s, chip designers tried to integrate more transistors on their circuit. Rose Freeman introduced a chip packed with transistors that formed loosely organized logical blocks with connections that could be configured and reconfigured using software. As a result, some transistors remained idle. But Freeman predicted that Moore's law would eventually make transistors so cheap that issue of idle transistors can be neglected. To market his chip called a field programmable gate array or FPGA, Freeman co-founded Xilinx. The first FPGA XC2064 were introduced in 1985 by the Xilinx company. The figure shows XC2064 die. The repeating structure of the gate array is easily seen. This diagram shows the repeating structure in schematic form. Configurable blocks are surrounded by a perimeter of support and input-output circuitry. The conceptual diagram of a typical FPGA. A typical FPGA consists of a two-dimensional array of logic blocks that can be connected by general interconnection resources. The interconnect comprises segments of wire and programmable switches to connect the logic blocks to the wire segments or one wire segment to the another. The structure and content of a logic block are called its architecture. Logic block architectures can be designed in many ways. Some FPGA blocks are as simple as 2-input NAND gates. Other blocks have more complex structures such as multiplexers or lookup tables. In some FPGAs, logic blocks corresponds to an entire PAL-like architecture. Most logic blocks also contain some type of flip-flop to aid in the implementation of sequential circuits. The structure and the content of the interconnect in an FPGA is called its routing architecture. The routing architecture consists of both wire segments and programmable switches. The programmable switches can be constructed in several ways, including pass transistors controlled by static RAM cells, antifuses, EEPROM transistors and EEPROM transistors. There exist many different ways to design the structure of a routing architecture.